What? Yes, this is our failed attempt at fishing.
Caught a condom.
Yes, Lucy caught a condom in the Susquehanna River. I guess people have sex in the water.
Or they could have had sex in the stairs, thrown the condom into the river, and
Why would somebody have sex on the steps? That would hurt. They're like all hot and like.
maybe they like it rough.
Ooh, good point.
Either I'm stuck with the fish.
It better be a fish. No.
Yeah, it's definitely a fish. Definitely.
Oh my God. Lucy caught a fish. Dun, 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 dun. She's getting tense. Oh, she just lost it. We fail at fishing.
Right, right. Feel it. Oh. Feel it. I get way into this. I get. Oh, you see that? You see that? Oh.
Lucy almost caught a fish.
Alright, no, I didn't catch anything.
Okay, she failed.
Looks like how it beats fish, you know? Oh my God!
Look at the fish.
It's Jaws! Oh my God!
We caught a shark. Yeah, let's just go to Antarctica and catch a penguin. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I got
Ooh, she got distance. Let's see what we're going to say to that. How do you feel about that arm?
good.
Okay, good. See the shiny water in the sun? It's so bright. There's my net.
Oh, look at
She got one.
Baby. Still there.
Wait. Oh.
Definitely still there.
Are you serious?
Dude, yeah, it's still there.
Oh my God, I think she got a fish. Lucy, that thing is bending hardcore.
Dude, I'm definitely not stuck, so come on, do it. Come on.
That's a fish.
It is?
I think. Lucy, reel it in.
I'm reeling.
Oh my God. Lucy just got us a big catfish to eat for dinner.
I don't think we can reel it anymore.
Okay, stop reeling it in before you break it.
Okay.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh, I thought it let go or something.
Oh, it's still going.
Lucy's getting happy. Go, Lucy, go. Reel it in. Is it still stuck? It has to be a monstrous fish.
He wants to show river monsters. I love that.
Yeah. You probably got a river monster. Lucy caught the Loch Ness monster.
Yes, definitely.
Don't tell me the Chinese guy caught a fish.
Nice stuff.
Ooh, he failed. Look at the Chinese guy fail down there. Fail. Chinese guy failed. Okay. Let it go and do it again. Let it go for a lot. Let it go. What do you say? What do you say? Oh God. What'd you say? Oh, what else you say? We fail at fishing, Lucy. Are you still stuck? And we're back. And we are still stuck in the river. What? Huh? What? It's a Twinkie. That's not yellow.
Big white bus.
Racist. Maybe we should try walking that way since the current's going down. We try and pull it this way. Let's go. Come on. I'm gonna fall in. These steps are scary. Okay. Success. And